Find the area bounded by the curve mod x plus y is equals to 1 and the x-axis. So this is the question. So to solve this question, so the given curve is mod x plus y is equals to 1. So we need to find the area bounded by this mod x plus y is equals to 1 and the x-axis. So here we will, here in question involves the modulus function. So we will divide the question into two different cases and solve the problem. So if you divide it into this question, this mod x plus y is equals to 1 into two different cases, then case 1 is if x is greater than or equal to 0. If x is greater than or equal to 0, then mod x is equal to x. Therefore, if mod x is equal to x, then the given curve becomes x plus y is equal to 1. That is, x is greater than or equal to, if x is greater than or equal to 0, then it's x plus y is equal to 1. Give this to number 1. So next case 2. Case 2, this is case 1 and case 2. In case 2, if x is less than 0, if x is less than 0, then mod x is equal to minus x. If mod x is equal to minus x, then the given equation, that is curve, becomes minus x plus y is equals to 1. This implies x minus y is equals to minus 1. Give this to number 2. So now this 1 and 2 are the line segments, because x plus y is equal to 1 only when x is greater than or equal to 0. Here x minus y is equal to minus 1 when only x is less than 0. Now we will try to draw the graph of this 1 and 2 on the same coordinate plane. For that one, so this is y-axis and this one is x-axis. X-axis, this one is y-axis. So here this is 0, call this as O. This is A 1 comma 0. This is minus 1 comma 0, you call this as B, and this is 0 comma 1, this is C. So here if you observe the line segments, so the first one is x plus y is equal to 1, that is x intercept is 1, y intercept is also 1. So it is x plus y is equals to 1 only when x is greater than or equal to 0. So here if you draw the diagram, so in first one is x is greater than or equal to 0. So if you draw complete line, that is x plus y is equals to 1, the line will be like this. But our case is what? In case 1, x is greater than or equal to 0 only. So you remove this part, that is this below the x-axis and this part. So now this is 1 comma 0, this is A. So now this line segment is x plus y is equals to 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. Now come to the second part, that is x minus y is equal to minus 1. So here x minus y is equal to minus 1 when x is less than 0. So here it's a line segment in which x intercept is minus 1, y intercept is plus 1. So it intersects the x-axis at 1 comma 0 and x-axis at minus 1 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma 1. So if you draw the complete line will be like this. If you draw the complete line, but line will be like this. So this is the line x minus y is equal to minus 1, but in our case 2 it is x minus y is equal to minus 1 only when x is less than 0. That's why we remove the remaining part, that is, so this part and this part. Yes, so this is 0 1 and this one is minus 1 comma 0. This is b minus 1 comma 0. Now, so now this is x minus y is equals to minus 1 when x is less than 0. So now the area, now the question is the area bounded by this mod x plus mod y, this complete graph is this green part, this graph is the graph of what? Mod x plus y is equals to 1 graph. So here the area bounded by the given curve, that is mod x plus y is equals to 1 and the x-axis. Therefore mod x plus y is equal to 1 is this part and the x-axis. The area, required area is this one. So the required area is the shaded region. We need to find this area. So to find this area, what we do is, so first one is required area is equals to required area is equals to area this one, that is this is BCOA, sorry, BCOB area BCOB plus area this one OCAO. So that is the required area. So this is equals to now. So this area, that is area BCOB, that is BCOB is equals to, here lower limit is minus 1 and upper limit is 0 y dx. This area plus now this area OCAO area is equals to, now here limits are, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1 y dx. So this is equals to integration of minus 1 to 0. Here if x is less, if minus 1 to 0, if limits are minus 1 to 0, in between minus 1 to 0, y is this x minus y is equal to minus 1. That is y is from this one, y is equals to x plus 1. That is here y is equals to x plus 1 dx plus in between 0 to 1, in between 0 to 1, what is y? Therefore if x lies between 0 to 1, therefore y is equals to, from this one, from this definition, y is equal to 1 minus x. Therefore y is 1 minus x. That is in between minus 1 to 0. If x lies between minus 1 to 0, y is defined as x plus 1. If x lies between 0 to 1, the y is defined as 1 minus x. Now integrate it. So if you integrate it, then what you get? Integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 1 dx is x, limits are from minus 1 to 0, plus integration of 1 dx is x, integration of x is x square by 2, limits are from 0 to 1. Now if you put upper limit, then it will be 0 minus of, if you put lower limit, that is 1 by 2 minus 1, plus from here if you put upper limit 1 minus 1 square by 2, that is 1 by 2 minus of 0. So which is equals to This is minus 1 by 2 into minus, that is plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. That is equals to 1. Therefore, the area, required area is 1 square unit. So this is the required area. And or alternate ways, or you can solve the question with the help of symmetry also, because the given function is what? Mod x plus y is equal to 1. The given curve is mod x plus y is equals to 1. Therefore, y is equals to 1 minus mod x. So it's an even function. That implies it is symmetrical about y-axis. Symmetrical about y-axis. So it is, as it is symmetrical about y-axis, from graph we can see it is symmetrical about y-axis. Therefore, this area, that is area BCOB, is equal to area OCAO. So that's why you calculate this area, that is area OCAO into 2 is our complete area, that is required area. If you use the symmetry, therefore required area is equals to 2 times integration of 0 to 1, 2 times integration of 0 to 1, this y is equal to 1 minus x, that is into y dx, that is equals to 2 times integration of 0 to 1, y is 1 minus x dx, that is equals to 2 times integration of 1 dx is x, integration of x is x square by 2, limits are from 0 to 1. So this is equals to 2 times, if you substitute upper limit, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 0. So this is equals to 2 times 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, it's 2 to cancel, therefore 1 square unit. So this is the required area.